Hello everybody. Today I will be walking you through making my grandma's favorite recipe of Italian chocolate wine cookies. First things first, 3½ cups of flour in the bowl. 3½ teaspoons baking soda. 3/4 cups of sugar. 1/3 cup of cocoa. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. All that. 1/2 teaspoon of cloves. 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg. 1/2 teaspoon allspice. Now we're going to add our wet ingredients. Okay. 2 eggs. 1/2 cup of red wine. I think a little red wine will do. And lastly is 3/4 cup of butter. I've melted it. Top it all off. 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. Now I'm going to mix all of these things together. I like to do it with my hands. This will be the consistency you want, nice and doughy. Now I'm going to take the dough and roll it into little balls and place them on this non-greased cookie sheet. Now I'm ready to bake them at 350 for 12 to 13 minutes. Timer's done, 12 minutes later. Here we go. Beautiful chocolate wine cookies. We're gonna let them cool off for about a ½ hour. Let them cool down, we're going to frost them. And basically what I've done is equal parts powdered sugar and cocoa powder and then a little splash of milk into a frosting consistency. A little sticky. And just drizzle them on top of the cookies. And there you have it. Chocolate wine cookies, my favorite.